Cars are getting smarter, we know that. But how about cars that not only talk to one another and talk to traffic signals, but they also talk to you? For instance, as a scooter comes from out of sight,
so we can't necessarily see who's coming from the side, but as we pull up here, you can see that we got a message here on our infotainment system. There was lots of beeping. You can see on our heads-up display there, depending on the light, that there's a scooter that we needed to avoid.
this is Ford's latest rollout, which should be in cars in about 3 years. It's called CV to X.
Stands for Cellular Vehicle to Everything Technology.
To everything.
Yes.
That's right. Everything around you, like a lane closed for construction or a pedestrian that simply wants to cross the road, all talking to the car. And it can also help with some, well, let's just say, less than cordial situations. All right, so we've all been in this scenario before where you come to a four-way stop, right? Nobody knows who's supposed to go first. Well, all these cars are communicating with one another. That one gets the green dot. It tells that one to go. This one over here now gets the green dot. It tells it to go because those cars were here before we were in the intersection. We're still told to stop. Now we get to go. We get to go through, and everybody is safe. And these connected car drivers are being asked to enter into an agreement not to break the rules, or else they could possibly be reported. We got a first-hand look on a closed DC parking lot. Ford insists this isn't pie in the sky, but there are still some hurdles to clear.
One of the reasons that we're here in DC is to talk with policymakers, the FCC for instance, because the spectrum that's been set aside for this communication, currently our technology is not allowed to operate within that spectrum.
Today, a sign of the changing times as the car industry shifts to the next gear. In the districts, Adam Tuss, News 4.